Hey guys, you want to make money on YouTube without showing your face, without your voice, without doing any effort. You want to become a YouTuber and you want to earn money on YouTube by just copy paste work and earn a lot of money on monthly basis. You can earn thousands of dollars on a monthly basis by copy paste work on YouTube. I will discuss a new topic, a new strategy in this video. If you can use this strategy as it is on your YouTube channel, you can earn thousands of dollars on a monthly basis. So watch this video till end, never miss any single step of this video. Watch till end and never forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Never miss any update from this YouTube channel. So let's begin to our new video. YouTube and type here relaxing music. Now you can see that how many views on every single video. 296 million views, 39 million views, 94 million views and 33 million views, 6.3 million views, and work as it is on YouTube. And how you can do that? Just go on Google and type here Pixabay and pixels. These are two royalty free websites. You can download copyright free videos and free images from these two websites. For example, I will type here rain. So these are the images of rain. You want to get the videos of rain. These are all the videos. You can download any type of videos from these two websites. And as it is work on this website, just type here rain video. Look, these are all the videos. You can download 7 to 8 videos from these two websites. And now how you can get royalty free music without copyright. Just go on YouTube and go on YouTube Studio of your channel. Just go on YouTube Studio and YouTube library. Select this option, attribution not required, and type here relaxing music. These are all audio files. You can download any type of sounds, any type of audio file from the audio library of YouTube. These are all the audio files, all the copyright free YouTube audio. After you can download videos from Pixabay or Pixels and download an audio file from YouTube audio library, and then you can collaborate these files, this video and this music. But you don't know how you can edit this video. You have no any experience of editing. Just go on OpenShot. Is a free software for video editing and easy to use. You can just drag and drop those videos which you can download from these two websites, drag and drop on this video editor, and then you import the audio file from the YouTube audio library and collaborate these videos and audio files, and then you can export this file in your PC and upload on your YouTube channel. I will show you an example just for the motivational purpose. A single channel, how much earn money on monthly basis. This is a soothing relaxation. This is a music channel and the music rank 307th and country rank 3rd. $19,000 to $310,000 per month and $223,000 to $3.7 million per year. This person can earn a lot of money on a monthly basis. You can work as it is on YouTube and earn thousands of dollars on a monthly basis like this. I hope you enjoy this video. Leave a like and comment and share. Subscribe my channel, press the bell icon.